Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present another line dance. The line dance is Not Man Enough. The song is Not Man Enough. The artist is Toni Braxton, and the choreography is Tina Jackson. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this line dance, I'll post it at the end of this dance. And here we go. sure you check out the step-by-step instructions, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.